Tight in your hamstrings, hips, or lower back? This lower body focused routine is designed to open you up, wake you up in just 5 minutes. Welcome to your 5-minute stretch session. Let's fire up your legs and stretch your way into an energized day. Whether you're starting a workout or just need a morning boost, you've come to the right place. No equipment needed, just a mat or soft surface and a little space to move with a positive vibe. We'll start with a dynamic 3-leg downward dog to awaken your legs. Flow into a standing forward fold. Strengthen with a low lunge flow on both sides and finish with a powerful deep squat into T rotation. By the end, I promise you'll feel strong, flexible, and ready to own the day. Let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off with a stretch that combines strength and flexibility. Let's energize those legs. Start in a downward dog position with your hips lifted. Inhale as you lift your right leg high behind you, keeping your hips square. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your standing leg and the activation in your lifted leg. Switch sides and repeat on the left. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings, strengthens your glutes, and builds core stability, all in one move. Beginners keep a slight bend in the standing leg. Advanced, open the hip of the lifted leg for a deeper stretch. Great start. Let's bring it down to the ground with a relaxing standing forward fold. Time to let gravity do its work as we stretch out the entire back of your body. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale as you reach your arms overhead, then exhale as you fold forward, hinging at the hips. Let your hands reach for the floor or rest on your shins and relax your neck. This stretch loosens tight hamstrings, releases tension in the lower back, and promotes blood flow to the brain for a clear head. Beginners, bend your knees slightly for comfort. Advanced, interlace your fingers behind your back and stretch your arms overhead for an added shoulder stretch. From here, let's rise into a low lunge to engage your legs and feel grounded. Low lunge flow is all about strength and stability, perfect for starting your day with confidence. Step your right foot forward and bend your front knee, keeping your back leg straight. Raise your arms overhead and square your hips forward. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and builds stability in your lower body while energizing your mind. Beginners, keep your back heel slightly lifted for balance. Advanced, sink deeper into the front knee for a stronger stretch. Now that your legs are fired up, let's flow into a deep squat to stretch the hips and spine. This move combines hip opening with gentle spinal twist for a full body release. Start in a deep squat with your feet wider than hip width apart and your elbows pressing into your knees. Place your left hand on the ground. Inhale and lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting your torso. Exhale to return to center, then switch sides. Alternate for 1 minute. This stretch strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and releases tension in the spine and shoulders. Beginners, use a block under your hips for support in the squat. Advanced, add a small lift in the hips as you twist for more dynamic movement. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health without leaving your desk, check out the free gift I have for you in the description. Trust me, you'll love it. And there you have it, fam. You crushed it. You've awakened your lower body, boosted your energy, and set yourself up for a successful day. Anytime you show up, you're winning the day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.